I want to that dirty blood clot white girl. Yeah, talk about you wonder what the conversation would have be like if I show speed was white. We always I wonder what life would have be like if them never come in slave way. Remember say people them will look like you, walk like you, talk like you, and smells like you. And then put shackles on our feet and whips with our back. So with all due disrespect, no respects in it. Name to your mother girl and shut the fuck up. Out of many one people and we love all creeds and stuff. But Jamaica is a black country. A black man ground. We love the Mr. Chin them, the Indians them. But if them pass them fucking place are problems for them. So you when a bumbleclot comes from here, you just a suck something from here. Must learn to kibbers thy mouth. Why not the fuck a group of people go through slavery? I go take up themselves and run behind a white people. A 1.1 million people got bumbleclot Jamaica in a grass mine. I when slavery done, nobody out of the 1 million survive, you know. I feel them pitney survive. And it was only children that had 1,000 of them. Imagine the slaughter. The life expectancy on the plantation was 7